Hi, welcome to this video. We'll show how to create a photorealistic lawn with D5 asset library in 2 minutes. First, choose a woodland material and apply it onto the surface. Stretch its UV to get a dense look. Then, choose a grass model to fill the lawn with the scatter tool. Repeat the step on another kind of higher, greener grass. Remove a bit of the lawn randomly with the eraser tool. You can also add some scattered fallen leaves. Place some shrubs along the edge. And intersperse some in the middle. A tall tree at the foreground will make the scene look more layered. That's it. You've just brought a lawn to life. D5 Asset Library makes it super easy to create architectural visualization. You can find the download link of D5 in the description. Make sure to give it a try